Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up TP-Link RE765X AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 range extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the TP-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. First of all, plug the RE765X into a wall socket very close to the router, same room is best. This is important because WPS needs a strong signal during pairing. Find the WPS button on your router, usually on the back or side. It may be labeled WPS or shown with this symbol, circle. Make sure your router's Wi-Fi is turned on. Press the WPS button on the router. Press and hold the router's WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. The router's WPS light will start blinking, meaning it is searching for a device to connect. Important note, you now have about 2 minutes to press WPS on the extender. Within those 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the RE765X. The extender's LED will start blinking. This blinking means the extender is detecting your router, copying Wi-Fi name, SSID, copying Wi-Fi password, or connecting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Wait for the connection to complete. Wait 1 to 2 minutes without touching anything. When pairing is successful, solid blue light appear mean excellent or good signal. Solid red light means connected, but too far from router. If the light keeps blinking or turns off, WPS failed and you'll need to retry. Unplug the extender and move it to a spot midway between the router and weak Wi-Fi area. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.